Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. Today is 27th August and we have only one day time to face first periodic test. So regarding that, I would like to give you some informations. So from my part, that is from history and political science. So far, up to yesterday, we completed two chapters from history, that is French Revolution, socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Then from political science part, again we completed two chapters, that is what is democracy, why democracy, then constitutional design. Now relating to periodic test 1, other than this chapter, that is socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, remaining three chapters, that is French Revolution, what is democracy, why democracy, and constitutional design. So these three chapters will be taken into consideration. Then myself, from two parts, from history and political science, you are going to write separate test for 25 marks. And for remaining two parts, that is geography and economics, again you are going to face separate test. There also it carries 25 marks. And regarding geography and economics part, madam will give you detailed information. Then before this, I advised you to keep 100-page king size notebook for writing a test. Now instead of keeping 100-page notebook for writing the test, you are advised to keep long sheets, good quality long sheets as per your requirement. Then number of sheets required for you to write the answers you can take. You can make your own arrangement for writing the answers, preserving, and finally presenting when it is asked. So it is left to you. So I suggest the work done by you, it is your work. You have to feel proud. So relating to that, it need to be presented systematically when it is asked. So good quality paper and write neatly, preserve it and present it. Then question paper pattern is mainly followed as per the question paper prepared, designed for 10th board examination. So question paper pattern and syllabus, so it will be given you clear information through the WhatsApp groups. So most importantly, you are going to face 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark questions in a different category. So that will be given you within 1 hour to your WhatsApp group. Then now coming to the point, in the previous session up to yesterday, we successfully completed discussing the chapter socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, and in between that only one day time is there for us to face the periodic examination. So instead of starting a chapter in today's session, So one thing I would like to advise and suggest you people through this video only, say prepare yourself for periodic test, and even you have to involve yourself regularly in making better understanding of the different concepts from different subjects. Don't lose your interest, don't get the studies remain back. So update yourself, complete your work, then go for enjoyment or recreation. Then I personally suggest any doubts, difficulties from my part, from my subject, if you are having any time, you can pass a message from WhatsApp group, not group is not possible, to my number. Before rising or before asking question, you please give your name so that I can give you uh, the explanation to the doubt you have. So sorry for the inconvenience that is happened, means I just wanted to give you information instead of starting a new chapter from political science. So first you write examination, then from tomorrow itself or from Saturday, so I will start next chapter from political science part. So I wish you all the best, study well, present well, and good luck. Thank you, Nanda.